You are watching tomorrow's classrooms today. Punctuation lesson 2. Mastering semicolons, your essential guide to clear and effective writing. In this engaging and informative tutorial, you will learn everything you need to know about semicolons, from their basic functions to advanced usage. Here's an essential guide to their use. Semicolons are used to link two closely related independent clauses. For example, she loves to read, her brother prefers to watch movies. Here a semicolon replaces a comma and a coordinating conjunction and. Semicolons are used to separate items in a series containing internal punctuation. For instance, I like fruits like mangoes, apples and pears, vegetables like cabbage, cucumbers and carrots, and sweets like cakes, cookies and chocolates. Here semicolons are used to separate three series separated by commas. Semicolons are used to clarify lists with internal punctuation. For instance, my favorite authors, J.K. Rowling, who wrote the Harry Potter series, George Orwell, known for Animal Farm, and Harper Lee, the author of To Kill a Mockingbird. In this sentence, semicolons are used to clarify three lists of items containing internal punctuation, commas. Semicolons are used to precede transitional words and conjunctive adverbs in a sentence. For example, he didn't like the movie, however, he enjoyed the music. In this sentence, a semicolon before a transition, however, and a comma after it connect two independent clauses. Semicolons are used to avoid comma splices. Comma splices occur when two independent clauses are joined by a comma without a coordinating conjunction. For example, Sheila loves hiking, Mark prefers swimming. In this sentence, a semicolon fixes the comma splice. Let's test our understanding of the functions of semicolons. Select an option that explains why a semicolon is used in this sentence. Look at the sentence. Your options are, and the right answer is option 3. Select a sentence that uses a semicolon to precede a transitional word or a conjunctive adverb. Your options are, and the right answer is option 4. After which word in the following sentence is there a semicolon missing? Look at the sentence. The right answer is after knees. Before which word in the following sentence should there be a semicolon? Look at the sentence. The right answer is before he. In which sentence can conjunction and or but not be replaced with a semicolon? Your options are, and the right answer is option 1. Check if there are any punctuation errors in the following sentence. If yes, suggest corrections. Look at the sentence. And the right answer is place a semicolon after years. Hope this tutorial enhances the clarity and effectiveness of your written communication. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Do not hesitate to comment below with any questions or topics you want us to cover next. Let's master punctuation marks together.